Welcome! In front of me I have Poco Watch and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. Actually, let me close it and reopen it, like this. Okay, and once you open the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see your Poco Watch. Now scroll through this page and find the Unpair button. It's gonna be at the bottom of the page. Once you find it, tap on it, tap on Unpair, tap on Got It. The watch will disappear from the device page. Now we can close the Mi Fitness application, open the settings on our iPhone, and in settings we need to tap on Bluetooth, and here you will see Poco Watch on the list of my devices. Once you find it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And after it disappears from the list of my devices, we can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.